EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for the weekend, March 7th and 8th, 2020. We're going to have a fantastic next couple of days. It's going to be a little on the cool side yet today because we still have a trough in the region that will be moving out. The trough is sitting like this as we get to early afternoon, but it is in process of moving out this way. And then this system right here is our system yesterday. They brought a few light showers, well, not light for the south and east, but some rain showers and some interior snow that ended as snow in some areas that were in marginal areas, but really didn't do too much. And here's this system moving away today. And then once we get into Sunday, mostly sunny. We'll call it partly to mostly sunny today. Partly cloudy skies early on today, and then mostly sunny later in the day. And then once we get to Sunday, that trough is well out of the region, and we now are getting much higher heights, and that's going to allow for the temperature to warm significantly by a good 10 to 12 degrees from what it will be today and what it will be on Sunday. So a big difference in temperatures, and that's just the start of this warm-up. By the time we get to Monday, we're sunny to partly cloudy, and temperatures well into the 60s. Here's what the European model is suggesting for highs here on Monday. Generally in the middle sections here of our region are generally in the middle 60s up in here, lower 60s north of that, and upper 60s further south and east. I wouldn't be surprised if somebody down here in these areas, especially across Delaware, interior southern New Jersey, sees makes a run at 70. Not impossible here on Monday. So a very nice day, very warm day for this time of year on Monday. But not challenging record highs. I did check some of the record highs for that date, and actually they were set just a couple years ago. I believe in 2016. We had some highs that were actually in the 80s on March 9th, which is Monday. So not going to quite make it there, but we will still have a very warm afternoon, nevertheless, it looks like. And again, sunny to partly cloudy skies, and then clouds are going to increase on Monday night ahead of our next system, which comes in Tuesday. This is a cold front that will have scattered showers with it that will be generally Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, and that's it. And then we clear out overnight. And these are all just rain showers. There's no chance of any frozen precipitation with that whatsoever. It'll be too warm. And Tuesday is still going to be kind of on either side of 60 degrees. So still warm there on Tuesday. Still mild on behind that frontal boundary. I know it's a cold front, but behind there's really no cold air coming in behind it. Here's that next system that for several days the GFS and was very excited about maybe a snow event here coming in the night of the 11th and morning of the 12th. It has given up on that idea, but there is indications now that this might not actually be much of anything at all. This little wave just dies south of the region here on the European model. GFS still has a tracking over area, but it seems like it's still like a day or two behind all other guidance. The southern areas do get hit on the Canadian model overnight on Wednesday night. So we did leave shower mentions in the forecast for Wednesday night. Mostly cloudy Wednesday. A chance of a shower here on Wednesday night. But then that system quickly moves away, and then we're back to partly cloudy skies here on Thursday with temperatures on either side of the middle 50s. So still mild for this time of year, and it's not going to be as warm as we'll see Monday, but it's going to be pretty nice still. And partly cloudy skies expected. And then we have clouds increase on Thursday night ahead of our next system, which comes in Friday. This is a frontal boundary that comes through. It's uncertain if this is just a 1 or 2 day event. Some models are suggesting this is going to be the initial wave, and then you have another one back here that'll come and get us here on Saturday. I don't want to get ahead of ourselves. That's outside of our 7-day forecast window. But right now, at least this weekend looks fantastic, especially as you get later in the weekend when it gets a little bit more warmer and even warmer by the time we get to Monday. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin. That is our outlook for the weekend, March 7th and 8th, 2020. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.